Good morning guys, in front of me is BLACKVIEW Active 8 Pro, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts, and click on Google as we want to add Google account. Mark Google account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and provide email address or phone number. So in my case it's email address. Once that is entered, mark next. And now it's time to enter the password. And as only it is entered, mark next. Here go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, tap on I agree. And if you wish, you can activate backup or no, however you like, but your account is already added. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.